Hey, what's up folks? My name is Ashok Joshi. Welcome to AJ Media YouTube channel. In this video, I will quickly go through how we can download and install Visual Studio Code text editor. So if you don't know what is Visual Studio Code is an advanced text editor that is basically developed by Microsoft, and it's a cross-platform text editor. So it doesn't matter if you are using Windows, you are using Linux or Mac. Every operating system will support this text editor. And yeah, let's get started and let's install Visual Studio Code. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever I will be posting a new videos in future. And if you think this video helped you, then do hit that like button. This gives me motivation to create more videos, and do share it with your friends so that others might get some benefit. Okay, so let's start with the video. So if you want to download Visual Studio Code, go to your favorite browser. So here I have Firefox. So once you click on Firefox or any other browser, what you can do here is you can just write the URL, which is code.visualstudio.com, hit enter, and this will navigate to this web page, and you can see this is how the text editor looks like. Okay, and if you want to download it, there are two buttons here. The first one is .deb. So this is basically for Debian based distribution. So you can use Debian, Ubuntu, you can use Kubuntu, and there are so many other Debian based distribution. So this one is .rpm, which is basically for Red Hat based distribution. So this one is .rpm. Basically RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. So this is basically for Red Hat based distribution. So you have Fedora, CentOS, SUSE, and so on. So right now we are installing it for Ubuntu. So just click on this button .deb, click here, and this will start downloading Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now this will ask you whether you want to save the file or whether you want to open it with the default software installer. So what I will do is I will just click on this save and click on OK. Now what happens is it will start downloading. I'll cancel this because I have already downloaded this. So you make sure you download this package, okay, or the .deb file, so that you can proceed with the installation. Now that we have downloaded VS Code, what I will suggest you to do is just close here. Okay, just go to your downloads directory where you have saved this .deb file. Now what you can do here is you can open the terminal, press Ctrl Alt and T if you are on Ubuntu. Now what you have to do here is navigate to your downloads directory, and here if you ls, you will see this .deb file. So at the very first, what I will do here is I will write sudo apt-get update. Let's update the system first before installing. Now that we have installed the updates, it's time that we install Visual Studio Code. So installation of Visual Studio Code is pretty straightforward. So there is just one command. So I will give this command in the description box below. You can go there and you can copy paste in your system, and you are good to go with Visual Studio Code. So what is the command? It's sudo dpkg. I will use this I flag, and after this just give the package name, which is code and .deb file. Hit enter, and this will start unpacking the package and it will start installing the necessary things. Once this is done, I will be back. Okay, so now it has installed the package, or it has installed Visual Studio Code. So if you faced any dependency error, so what you can do there is you can write this sudo apt-get install -f. So I did not get any dependency error. So in case if you are getting that dependency error, you can use this command. Okay, cool. Now that we have installed Visual Studio Code, let me just cancel these things, and okay, there is a software update. I will install it later. Okay, so now that we have installed Visual Studio Code, just write VS Code, hit enter. That's it. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. So once you open Visual Studio Code, this is how the interface will look like. Let me just cancel it. You see, Explorer tab. Here you can search anything, you can replace anything whenever you will be working on a text document. This is basically for the Git. So you might be knowing what is a source control. If you not, just leave this thing right now. This is basically for running and debugging. This is the extension part where you can install packages. So if you want to install this package, which is basically for Python, you have package based on C, C++, and there are so many things you can install here. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can download and install Visual Studio Code. So I think you were also able to install Visual Studio Code on your system as well. So if this video was helpful, do give it a like button. This will give me motivation to create more videos as such, and share it with your friends so that others might get some benefit. New to my channel, make sure you subscribe to it and hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.